Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to install latest iOS version on any iPhone device. If you're using any iPhone and you want to install the latest iOS version on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to very first make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. Then you have to simply go back, open your settings app here, go for general, go for software update, and here you'll get the latest iOS update compatible with your device. So here once you find a latest iOS update, you just have to simply go back and very first you have to try to open your iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage into your iPhone storage here. So you have to check that the your storage is more than 5 GB. Then this iOS update. Once you have checked, you can directly update your iOS from here, or if you can't find the update here, so you just have to simply open your browser and you have to select or you have to search for iPhone models compatible with the latest iOS or that time. So let's say I'm gonna select here iPhone. Here just search for this iPhone models compatible with latest iOS you can search for, and here you can see the results. Now you will get a list of all iPhone models which can support or which are compatible for the latest iOS. So you can directly update from your settings app or from your software update, or you can use Apple support, or you can also use the your PC or your Mac to boot the software on your iOS. So in this way, you can easily install latest iOS version on any iPhone device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.